You're late, you're late, you're late!
Oh. This is Mark, the other chopstick guy with your small bite of the day. Man, can you relate to that? I'm not kidding. Every time we take our lights out for a portrait session, what happens? The wind starts blowing and the lights go crashing. You know, our mantra for the last couple of years has been, don't be lazy. Here's the problem. We find ourselves still being lazy. Man, I hate sandbags. They're heavy, they're dirty, they spill yucky stuff all over my car. I can't stand them, but I think I finally found a solution. All right, here's the answer. You know those easy up tents? These are sandbags made for those easy up tents. These things can hold up to like 40 pounds of weight. Why are they different than a normal sandbag? Because a normal sandbag, I have to drape on the legs. They're always sliding, they're always falling off. These are meant to go around the base of my tripod. I attach them with Velcro, and my stand's going nowhere. So look at, this is what I love about these things. This is rock solid. Remember how easy my light stand was falling over before? I've got to turn this thing quite a bit before it's going to fall over. I'll tell you what, we just spent 3 days at the Bonneville Salt Flats in Utah with howling winds, and I not once had a time where I was afraid my light was going to fall over, even when standing out in water. These sandbags do their job.
All right, so I've got the extra pro tip for you, and that's, you don't want to just dump your sand in a sandbag. But one thing I told Mark that I do for every one of my sandbags is I put the sand in a Ziploc bag. That keeps your sand secure, keeps it free from roaming around your car when you throw your sandbags in there, but just keeps it a lot neater, because we all know that a dirty car makes for an unhappy wife. So we want to make sure that we keep the car clean by keeping our sand in a plastic baggie. This was Steve and Mark, the other chopstick guy, with your small bite and your pro tip for today.